they confused a demo with training. A demo is all speed and polish, all flash and glitter, designed to say, whoa, that's really sexy, I love that. But not to teach. Training is teaching. It's slow, it's repetitive, it's step by step, it's reassuring, it is reinforcing, and it reminds the students, this is where you start, this is where you go next, then you do as much magic as you want, and you have fun with that. But then you save it this way, you export it, and you do something with it. It gets back to that beginning comment about the fundamentals. If we don't explain the fundamentals, all we're doing is just doing a demo, and the students won't learn. But by explaining the fundamentals, then when the magic comes, people are having a great time with magic because they understand how to start a new project and how to save it and how to export it. It's true of every piece of technology. How do you start? How do you save? How do you end? And it's amazing how many times that does not get explained.